Is your Odoo dashboard cluttered with modules you never use? Learn to uninstall any module in under 2 minutes. We'll start at the home page, go to Apps, select the module, and confirm the uninstall. Simple steps, quick results. All right, let's start by heading back to your Odoo homepage, so we're all working from the same starting point. Now, from the homepage, go ahead and click on Apps in the top navigation menu. That'll take you to the full list of modules you have installed. Next, browse through the list, find the module you want to uninstall, and then click the 3-dot icon next to it to open up more options. From that drop-down menu, simply click the Uninstall option. It's the one you want to get the ball rolling. A confirmation prompt will appear, so click Uninstall one more time to confirm. Then wait for the uninstalling to finish. And just like that, you're all done. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.